What's up, yo? It's like 5:30 in the morning right now. You know, Tommy just picked us up. We're going to the shop. I'm going for a long day. You know, about to attack this heat. Tommy, wake up! He's sleeping. He's not animated yet. He's still loading. He's buffering. But here we are in the beautiful Fort Myers. Your car should be ready in a few hours, actually.
I'm at work and I don't get out. I actually get out at 7, but I'm gonna leave at like 6:20 and then take a lift to you. Is that okay? You're there until 7?
Yeah, I'm here till 7 today.
Okay, so I'll be there a little bit before 7.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Where do you work at?
Yeah.
Maybe I can have somebody.
I work in North Fort Myers.
North Fort Myers.
Right after the bridge on Pine Island. It's right over the bridge.
All right, I can maybe send me the address. Send me the address. I'll have somebody drop the car off for you.
Oh. All right.
Here at STW Auto.
And if you can, don't worry, okay?
All right, I got you. But just send me the address so I could work it in.
I will.
All right. Thank you, Miss Mercedes.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye. Good customer care.
It's too good. It's too good to detail.
Too good for it.
Too good.
It's way too good for it, buddy.
How
do you feel about that?
I feel like I'm being interviewed. I feel like I'm in
How do you feel about him not detailing anymore and just holding the camera all the time?
a little bit sad because I got a sweat now.
You got a sweat now? I mean.
And I don't like sweating. I don't really like. I guess I'm not in the right location, I guess. Oh.
Hey, let's do this. Let's hire a kid to just come here and detail, and then we'll just like share him, you know?
Sure.
We'll just split the pay for him.
That's actually a pretty good idea.
That's a good idea, right? He'll
That
wash your
is.
cars, because every car I do, I want it washed, you know, the exterior washed.
Right,
for
right.
my customer, you know. I think it's a good thing. Like, they just spent like they spent some money, you know.
It is
so,
a lot of money.
Like, they deserve a car wash, you know, just exterior wash. We have the stuff for it.
Yeah.
You know, and they could just, keep all our cars clean all the time, you know. No
I
matter
think that's
what.
a good
It's a lot
idea.
best.
Split the costs on a detailer.
Yeah.
How much you
think a detail would cost?
I don't know.
A decent one? I mean, $15 an hour, 40 hours is $450.
Okay.
I lied. It's $600.
Okay.
Is it $600?
I can't do math
What's
in
my
my
math
head,
off?
so don't.
No,
don't
30
ask me.
hours. Okay, 30 hours for $15. 30 hours is good. 6 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Sure.
$450, $225 each, and then we get our cars clean all the time.
Yeah.
Kind of like that.
I kind of like that too.
All right.
All right, I put my jacket on because I assumed you were getting in the truck. No.
Okay, we're gonna go. It's nice to see you, Kenny.
Yeah, nice seeing you too.
This is where it all happened at. I don't know who we're gonna hire, but this is where it all started at.
The Jetta. Do you want that now,
I'm gonna
or
be
do you
back.
want it later? Later.
Oh yeah, later. I'll come by.
What's up, man? It's your boy, Mr. Deal. Boom, right here. Okay, so update on that story. The tow truck, the impound came by. We told them the bill, it was $28.50 for a lot fee, which ain't bad. You know, the car was here for 3 months. So now we got the check and the car is out of here. So now we got more space, more money, and more opportunity to make more money. Bring your car to us. Please bring your car to us. I'm dying to work on your car. Please. We're getting more people, we're hiring more people. I told you we're getting that other side next week. Today is the 29th. We are getting it on Monday. On Monday, a fresh new week, a fresh new month. Oh, Sunday, fresh new week, fresh new month. I'm gonna be moving in to the other side. We're gonna move into the other side. We're gonna have 6 bays. I got a shop. What would you call Tommy? A service writer? A service writer, I guess? Parts guy / parts guy? We'll make him service manager. Tommy's a service manager, right? He manages the service. Well, really, I run that shit, but, you know, he helps me manage it. He's my assistant service manager. I like that. Assistant service manager. We got Alex. He's the fucking, the content, social media ambassador. He's a social media ambassador of STW Auto. We got Aaron. He's a good apprentice. He's doing really good. He's young. He just turned 21. He's doing good work. You know, a couple mistakes here and there, but you know, nothing crazy that's not fixable. So that's good. We got a couple more people coming on the team, so we need cars. We need cars. Bring us your car, please. I would love to work on it. I would love to work on it. I would love it. We got a good thing going, man. STW Auto, La Familia.